Look, Fox! So many animals!
Yeah!
Let's teach our friends today. Wow! A magic jungle gate! Come on, Fox, let's check it out! Elephant big with a long big nose. Stomp your feet, here it goes. Bird goes tweet, flying high. Flap your wings up to the sky. Lion says roar, big and strong. Dance like a lion all day long. Tiger sneaks, quiet and slow. Tiptoe now, ready, go. Monkey swings, left and right. Move your arms, hold on tight. Rabbit jumps, hop, hop, hop. Jump with Fox, never stop. Crocodile snaps, big wide jaw. Open your arms like you saw. Animals fun, dance and play. See you again another day. Click subscribe, don't delay. Share and like, hip